Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. And in today's video I bring you Chainlink, why Chainlink is the king now. We are going to do some technical analysis on this video. I'm going to give you some information why now in Oracles and all the projects, Chainlink is one of the biggest ones. I'm going to cover all the last news from October of Chainlink. We have an amazing month full of news and coverage of the Chainlink project. If you are a Chainlink fan, you need to see this video until the end. Without anything else, let's go into it. Guys, Chainlink is still at position 23 of the coin market cap of the list of all altcoins, and it still is one of the biggest projects that I am super bullish on terms of adoption and usability in the crypto space. I'm going to tell you in this video why I think it's still a king. But before, let's check a little bit of the price of LINK. So right now it's at $7.20. This of course will be always related to the price of Bitcoin, which is at $19,000, going down a little bit. But besides the movements of Bitcoin, Chainlink is showing a very interesting chart. Right now I have two theories that we will be in a different pattern. One is with these two violet lines that you can see here. Let me zoom a little bit. So you can see this is acting as resistance on this double top here. And this line for sure is acting as support here, here, here and here. So this is very, very important support right now. We are here since June. So we are creating higher lows here, but we are not creating higher highs yet. So this is acting as support, but with these two lines, we are in an ascending triangle. This is a ping pong between these two top resistance here and support here. The pattern here is usually a bullish pattern. So more times that we come back and test this ceiling here means that eventually we are going to break it to the upside at 65% of the times. My other pattern theory is a symmetrical triangle created with the same line here of support and with one of these two lines. One of these light blue lines is acting as resistance here, here, and was support here and resistance here and resistance here. So this is very important because for me this is from September 2020. You can see this resistance here, again resistance in November 2020, support during the bottom of July of 2021, and now acted as resistance here and here, even if we count this as a fake out. So this could be with this line and this violet line, we could have a symmetrical triangle. And with this one, it's also important because we was this top and was support all the way here in 2022, 21, and was resistance here also and being support and resistance here. So again, I always tell that try to extend your lines as much as you can when you draw it in the chart. So you see all the confluence and maybe you find confluence from last years, not only months or weeks. So in this case, these two lines are important, so I keep them both. So we could have a symmetrical triangle here or with another light blue line here. Or the other pattern is this uptrend inside this ascending triangle. In this case, ascending triangle is bullish, the symmetrical triangle is more a 50-50% chances. So the most important for me at this point is see this violet line acting as support. I want that to continue being the case. But another important chart is this. This is LINK against Bitcoin. And like you can see, since May 2022, from the lows that we have been recovering. LINK against Bitcoin is in this ascending channel. This is a very bearish pattern right now. We can expect some reversal here to be bearish because eventually this support line should break to the downside. But the good thing here is that we are come back again into this rectangle with was support during all the bull run of 2021. So you can see we are again inside this rectangle, and if we continue going and holding support about 42745, I think it will be great for LINK to stay above that and create new all-time highs against Bitcoin. But for now, LINK is more bullish against Bitcoin than against USDT, but that is actually always a very good scenario. Now guys, why I am saying the Chainlink is still the king? Well, the value held by blockchain oracles slices 61% in 7 months. This is almost since the end of the bull run, but that is not blame of Chainlink or the usability of the token or anything like that. It's just that we enter into a bear market, so there is less TVL value lock in all the DeFi space. But in terms of adoption, Chainlink has been growing, and you can see that Chainlink is dominating the 45% of oracles. While there are more than 2,000 oracles today and there were only 17 at the beginning of the year, the total value secured by oracles has decreased 61% since mid-February. And if you check this, you can see that Chainlink has the top oracle value of 25%. In second position is Maker. Then we have Winlink, Pith, Band Protocol, and others here. Of course, this cannot be considered actually competitors. The only one in this case will be Maker and Winlink. But if I go to DeFi Shama, from where that image came from, all that is counting Chainlink without the staking, without the pool and borrows and landings. If you active all this in DeFi Shama, you will see that actually it's 60% of the total value of all oracles in existence. So Chainlink for sure is the king, and that was the topic of this video, guys, because this is like saying for a specific niche that you can see here, you have all the list of the different oracles. It's like saying that for layer 1 solutions or layer 0, like you can call it, Ethereum has 60% of everything. So if you want to compare that against different protocols, you will see that Ethereum is actually not having the same amount of percentage against layers 1 or layer 0 solutions. So oracles, for sure, Chainlink is the king. I am only investing in Chainlink, and that is not financial advice, it's only what I am doing. In terms of oracles, for me, Chainlink is the number one. And the only thing is that it's not only about the percentage that they have. You can see that the protocols secured by Chainlink are 207. Even Maker, that has a lot of TVS, Lockheed here, which is in position 2, they only have 2 protocols secure. Imagine if you are a company that wants to include an oracle to get the real data and connect the real world to blockchain. Are you going to use any of these competitors? The next one with more protocols secure is TWAP. Is in position 4. It's not even having a lot of TPS. You can see it's only 1 million here, and he only has 58 protocols secure against 207 that has Chainlink. So the difference is enormous here. The niche is absolutely controlled by the Chainlink as the top one. And also recently was announced in October 3 this Chainlink partnership with SWIFT that shows Link attracting attention from serious significant institutions. And this was announced here in the SmartCon that Chainlink did, that SWIFT is using the cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, in an initial proof of concept, and this will be using Chainlink for the data feed. Also this week, Eric Schmidt is now an advisor helping building Chainlink. He was the former Google CEO that supports a more powerful by truth. Chainlink is a secure ingredient to unlocking the potential of smart contract platforms and revolutionizing businesses and society. So he's super bullish about Chainlink, and if you are not really familiar about what Chainlink is, by the nature, blockchains and smart contracts built atop them are enabled to connect with real world data and systems. And Chainlink solves this problem through the use of Oracle networks. They pull and aggregate data from the real world in order to trigger smart contracts built on blockchains, made up of independent node operators like Deutsche Telekom's T-Systems, Swisscom, the Association Press, and more, so it's decentralized. The Chainlink network is responsible for triggering and securing more than 80 billion worth of value locked in smart contracts and applications built atop numbers leading blockchains. So they are really solving a problem, guys, here. They are connecting the real world data that already exists in all APIs with blockchain. So do you think that at any moment Chainlink could be obsolete? Put your comments below. What do you think about that? I really think that that could actually never happen. The complete economy and world needs to turn into blockchain to that happen. and I think we are far away to that at this moment. And if you have a business already creating with all your infrastructure there, you will prefer to connect with Chainlink to the different smart contracts than throw away everything that you have and create new stuff directly on blockchain. So it makes sense to have this bridge. And also FileSwan collaborates with Chainlink to secure Oracle services, and FileSwan contract-based multi-chain storage announced its recent integration with Chainlink, the leading decentralized Oracle network. This collaboration enables FileSwan to access top-notch real-time market rates. The partnerships with links are almost every day, and you can see that here. This is the daily wrap of Chainlink. You can see this in Twitter, and these are integrations on Ethereum and Polygon. BetterTick, which is actually, you can see here, is a Web3 event-based social network where you create, discover, and access Web3 events. Automation and CPF, starting and stopping ticket sales and distributing rewards. They are partnering with Chainlink today. And this is Sim Futures DeFi, which is a decentralized derivative protocol. Trade futures, anything, anytime. BRF, selecting winners fairly. So this is the daily app wrap for Chainlink. And in terms of the week, in the last 2 weeks, there were 22 integrations of 5 Chainlink services across 5 different chains: Avalanche, BNB Chain, Ethereum, Phantom, and Polygon. And you can see here those projects: Proof of Reserve, 1 project, BRF, 9, price feeds, automation, and data providers. This is from September 26th to October 9, guys. So you can see in 2 weeks, 22 integrations, all of them using Chainlink and LINK token for fees. And now we have the hackathon for Chainlink. So amazing news and a lot of progress in the Oracle systems. And still, Chainlink is the king. Guys, put your comments below. What do you think about Link? Are you holding it? What are your cons? I always like to know what do you don't like about the project. And before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at CryptoCState, where I post trade alerts, more news, and different things that I don't put in the video. And please, if you want to support the channel, share this video in your social media. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.